This is how to factory reset, hard reset. This is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G, easy to identify with the 4 camera panel on the back and sensor on the back as well. So the button combination is volume down and power. Hold volume down and power. I always like to hold the volume down just a split second before and let go as soon as you see the logo on or come on. Okay, now we're going to have a series of on-screen prompts that we're going to have to follow, and the cool thing is that you can use either the volume keys to scroll through the instructions, or the touchscreen remains functional during the recovery period. So let's touch English, wipe data and cache. Let's see, reset system, wipe cache, erase everything. We're going to factory reset, so let's erase everything. User data partition will be formatted. This cannot be undone. If your phone is reset, you will need to enter the Google account information, email address, and password associated with the phone to be able to use it again. Keep that in mind. If you've set up your OnePlus with your Google and Gmail account, especially if you turned on the Find My Device security or other security similar to that, you will 100% need this. All right, let's continue. We're going to continue. This cannot be undone. Continue. Press yes. And depending on your phone, it could take a few seconds to a few minutes to completely wipe it. It reminds us again, one more time, we'll need our Google credentials. Now we can reboot the system. And now it'll reboot. It'll take a few minutes, but that is how you factory reset, hard reset, clean and wipe. Once again, this is the OnePlus Nord N10 5G. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.